Here, sun is about to come down. We'll capture this sunset as well. Not you guys are not here. No, not coming. Unless until you allow. No, not. You want to come?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Which country you're from?
My family.
Which country you're from?
Grandfather.
Your grandfather,
Yeah,
mom and dad,
mom, dad.
and granddaughter.
Yeah.
What's your name? Which country you are from?
Which country? I'm from Siberia.
Siberia.
Yeah, it's a new country.
Siberia, such a cold region. Oh my God! Minus 30 degree. Oh.
Yeah.
Are you guys from Siberia actually? Yeah. And what's your name, baby? Maria. Okay, Maria. Lovely name. I know 2-3 Russian words. Dobra utra, dobra notte, das bedania. That's it. Yeah.
Okay.
Chalo. You're welcome. See, the sun is setting. Behind this palm tree, the sun is giving such a picturesque view. एकदम वहाँ बैठ जाओ, बहुत अच्छा फोटो आएगा. Seriously. My, the school children, huh? On a trip. Is that a holiday season?
No.
Huh. It's just a school trip, right? All they are from Colombo? Which school you guys are from? Name your school. No, I want to hear from them.
Okay, tell your school. School name.
Gone from up. Okay, you should be loud. Say loud. Very good. So there's a Sri Lankan school group is going. Some lovely children. Smiling children. Sri Lankans are always smiling, you know. The one thing is that they always smile for every small reason. And that's the beauty. See, this is inside the golf fort. Still we are going to the fag end of this fort. We have taken a complete 360-degree round tour trip. I don't know where our driver is there. Can you see the sun is settling down and down. The cloud is playing spoil sport, but still some signs are there. वहाँ पे बैठे. See the lovely picturesque view. इतना बढ़िया view you can enjoy only in Sri Lanka. Take care एकदम, हाँ ध्यान से. We are going up. I think we'll go from that side. That side easier. Yeah, come. Here there is a climb. Come. हैं? हाँ. इधर से ऐसे नहीं चल जाओगी? वो ज़्यादा इजी है. चलो. This is Elias Bastion. The Star Bastion is that side, and this is Elias Bastion. Basically, bastions are area where the protection is there for the fort. Okay. Wow. क्या हुआ? See the sunset, बेटा. See the sunset. वहाँ पे sunsetting कर. Some music. ये लोग इंडिया से हैं. See the view. See the sunset. Lovely. See the colors. My God, this is what we have been chasing everywhere. All the beaches. And finally at Galle, We got it. This is what we have been chasing everywhere from different places, different seas, different places and all. And finally this sunset is happening at Galle. From the Galle Fort, we are able to capture this sunset. I went for sunrise also, but again the weather played spoil road. But again, here this weather is still trying to play spoilsport, but the sun is winning and we are winning. So this is the sunset. Can you see the lightning? Yeah, see the ambience. See the ambience. Wow. Okay. So this is a Sri Lankan musical group. We met them at Galle. This is their original music. They have not yet published. And this is their song.
About like a love story. It's
Yeah.
success. Since success, so he's speaking about his girl.
Okay. Remembering a lover.
The feelings that way, the way they spend the time.
Okay.
Like that way.
Okay, it's in Sinhala language.
Success one.
Yeah, the first song I've seen is no Bollywood copy.
No, this
No, most of the Sri Lankan song has a Bollywood copy. Yeah.
song.
Yeah.
Even didn't release yet. They have to release this.
Okay, you'll release in Hindi as well?
No, we
No.
didn't release yet.
Okay, not release it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we are
So,
going to.
yeah, you're going to release it very soon. Okay. Good luck to you guys. And I have that, probably I'll put it that I'll ask my viewers that please subscribe to their channel. What channel you have? Vani Vatsa. Vani with song. Okay. Vani with songs. Okay, Vanu with songs. Okay. Now,
Banu with song.
Banu. B-A-N-A-U-R-U. Can you spell it? B-H-A-N-U. With song. Okay, good. Good, I'll promote your channel and you also promote mine. So, as usual, you can see the cloud has come. So this is the time we are signing off from Galle Fort. If you like this video, please subscribe. This is going to be a very long video. Maybe in parts I will try to put it. Okay. And this is lovely, lovely, lovely view. So backdrop you can see. This is your host Rhythm, which she has got hurt herself a little bit and that's why she is sad. She's not smiling today. I don't know. She was doing some monkey-like things and all. And that's why she got punishment. So anyways, with this, I'm signing off. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. It's going to end. Lots of Indian tourists like us have come here. I've met at least 7 and 8 Indian tourists during our trip. 7 and 8 group, some couples, some 7 and 8 people. This group is an Indian group, and we are going to that side. So we'll go there at the car only. Car is there. Car is that side. Okay. So why we are going that round? Okay, round we'll take and then come back. Fine. So lovely evening is going to end at Galle. See, the sun is still setting. It's going down. Had it been an open, clear sky, the picture would have been much better. But coming to the sea area, getting a clear sky is in itself is a wonder. So complete fort we have taken, a complete 360-degree fort, right? Is there any other place in this city? This town?
New town is other side.
Okay.
That's a
Old town.
old town.
Okay.
न्यू टाउन
यहाँ there's a new town, गॉल का न्यू टाउन है जहाँ पे चल के हम लोग शायद डिनर लेंगे. डिनर विल बी टेकिंग इन न्यू टाउन.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Indian. I will found the Indian restaurant. Do you want the Indian restaurant?
Whatever. Indian better. Indian better. If not Indian, we can eat Sri Lankan and British and any Mughlai, whatever. See the sunset.
You can tell me.
Okay.
Please send to the video clip.
Yeah.
Please tell me.
Yeah.
Call me. I release this
Yeah.
video clip.
Yeah. I will make your video. See the sun is setting. It's coming down as the golf fort. You can see. Lovely sun. I'll zoom it for you. Cloud is there. It's not clear sky, but still lovely. See the colors. See the texture. Cafeteria at the fag end of the Galle. It says this is a long journey. Come and relax. Brunch, coffee, milkshake, fresh juice. 1 kilometer to the end. Okay. So we are not climbing this up. We've been climbing and coming down quite long. So we are just giving you a thing. You can climb here also. The tourists sitting up. They're enjoying the view. It's a nice view. There's some people that are sitting at that side. So the fort area is about to end. So there's a Klipberg restaurant, cafe, courtyard. If you are hungry, if you are thirsty, you can go and visit and go. So this is a long journey. Come and relax and brunch. This is the thing they ask. So this is the place. They have Nariyal Pani here kept, and the man with the menu is standing there. Ammunition bunker. Probably this must be an ammunition bunker. See, the fort has so many cannons. Cannon. डच के समय का है. नीदरलैंड की जब यहाँ पे डच लोग शासन करते थे ना, तब का है ये फोर्ट. बचाने के लिए, प्रोटेक्शन के लिए. ये 18th सेंचुरी में करते थे. 17 समथिंग 18th सेंचुरी. श्रीलंका आज़ाद नहीं. श्रीलंका आज़ादी इंडिया के बाद मिली श्रीलंका को. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भी बाद में बना है. नेचुरली जब आज़ादी बाद मिलेगी तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भी. फ्लैग रॉक बैस्टन यहाँ पे भी है. पीपल, बहुत सारे लोग वहाँ पे देखो फ़ोटो सेल्फी लेने के लिए खड़े हैं. ऑल ओ माय गॉड, टिल दैट एंड. नो, विल गो फ्रॉम डाउन हियर ओनली. विल गो फ्रॉम डाउन from that side. How many kilometers, sir, from there? How many kilometers this fort is? 5 kilometers walking, ना? तो हम लोग पूरे 4 kilometers walking किए हैं. हाँ, गाड़ी नहीं आ सकती यहाँ पे. हाँ, walking करके ही कुछ चीज़ देखा जा सकता है बेटा. This must be a well. या कुछ होगा इनका. देखो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है. Let's see. इस नेपच्यून बैस्टन. मैं यहाँ पे फ्रीज कर देता हूँ थोड़ी देर के लिए. आप लोग पढ़ लीजिएगा फ्रीज करके. बहुत इंग्लिश में है, नीचे में है इंग्लिश में, लेकिन इंस्क्रिप्शन भी क्लियर नहीं है, मिट गया है काफ़ी. हाँ, बहुत पहले का है. बाकी सारे पिलर्स जो हैं रूइंस बचे हुए हैं यहाँ पे. सो प्रॉब्ली ये होगा उनका हाइड आउट, एक तरह का उनका सेफगार्ड का होगा यहाँ पे. ये टूरिस्ट सारे जो हैं डिफरेंट कंट्री से. माय गॉड, ओह गॉड, सच अ बिग क्राउड. इट्स अ लोकल क्राउड. It's a local crowd. Yes, local crowd comes to this side. Yeah, देखो इनको सब लोगों को अपना अपना लंच बॉक्स मिला हुआ है. देखो सब लोग एक सेम लंच बॉक्स. ग्रुप देखो, ये भी म्यूजिशियन ग्रुप, सेम ग्रुप शायद. हाँ, कॉलेज ट्रिप है इनका.
कितने सारे लोग तो
या हाँ, एक साथ लोग हैं, एक साथ. ये देखो My God. Good that we came here on this day. जहाँ भी जाओ श्रीलंका में कॉलेज के लोग मिलते हैं. इस समय स्कूल के कॉलेज के बच्चे काफ़ी मिल रहे हैं. ये देखो सेल्फी खींच रहे हैं सब. टीचर्स आर गेटिंग एंग्री. टीचर्स एंग्री भी हो रही हैं कि भाई इतना टाइम क्यों लगा रहे हो. Utrecht Baxton. Okay.
Go down this.
Yeah, we'll go down this way. Yeah, we'll not go that side. Oh, we are tired. So there's that side also. If you are more enthusiastic, you can go. But it's getting dark, so we are going back. And there's a peacock. Peacock, see? There's a peacock. Yeah. Two peacocks. Two peacocks. Yeah. Two peacocks. Male peacock. No, female peacock, not male peacock. Male peacock had all those wings. And this is probably a high place you can have some food. Nice restaurant. And this is a car parking here. So we have walked almost 4 and 5 kilometers, and again we are going. How many kilometers till your car? 1 kilometer?
No. 400 meters.
400 meters, okay. So we'll walk down again 400 meters. So we'll complete around 6 kilometer walk today. Since morning we have been doing up and down, going here and there. Lots of energy burning. Now this is a food time. We'll go to the Gauls New City, and I'll make a video there also, separate video for Gaul New City. This is a Gaul's old city. It's called Fort City. It's called Fort City? Gaul Fort City? Yeah, this is Gaul Fort City. See, lots of tourists, they come here and stay inside the fort. There are houses, the private houses as well. There are restaurants, there are eateries, everything. And after a long time, I saw Buddha's statue. My God, for so many days we have been missing. This is a meditation center. It's called Sri Saddharamalaya Temple. This is a temple, Saddharamalaya Temple, just opposite the Gaul Fort. This is a Gaul Fort, and this is Sri Saddharamalaya Temple. Yeah, Buddha. Can you see here Buddha? Yes. Yes. And there's a big bell. So we have to go this side? This side? Yeah. See the roads. The roads here like European style made. It's since that Dutch time these roads has been made? Yeah? Modifications and all. But good modifications and all. This temple is there, see. I hope there's no entry fee. But we'll not go to temples now. Whether entry fee or not entry fee. We are taking a shortcut. Okay. This way, okay. I saw that. There was a hike. Up hike and low hike. So this is probably a restaurant. It's a restaurant, sir? It's a restaurant?
Yeah, it's a hotel.
It's a hotel?
Yeah.
Okay. So people stay here?
Yeah.
Okay. And you can hire bikes also here, see? To go around Gaul City. It's called Ram Fort. Ram Fort. Okay. In the country of Ravan, Ram Fort. My God. Dutch villa, holiday home, restaurant. So we took a complete round, na sir?
Yeah.
Yeah? Complete 360 degree. Rhythm, tired?
Yeah.
Enjoyed the trip?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes we have to walk down also, beta. When you go to Europe, you will have to walk a lot. See the narrow lanes, but still made in the old Dutch style or the British style, whatever. It's completely European. Such streets you can get only in Europe. Now here you can see it in Sri Lanka. Such narrow streets but very neat and clean. You can see the proper drainage is there. It must be raining a lot here. And cleanliness. The best part of Sri Lanka I have observed, Sri Lanka is very clean. I have not seen garbage everywhere. Okay? The garbage are collected properly, nicely and dumped properly. See? You can come and dine here. This is a place. It's a nice soft white rice, 9 different vegetables, 1 meat. Food is good? Yeah? Okay. My. Oh my God. Room, Holiday Villa. Holiday Villa. Okay. Oh, sports bike. Small little shop here. Like in Europe, when you go in Europe, anywhere, you have to walk a lot. Here also you have to walk a lot. So it looks like that mini Europe we have come here. And with these people outside from different nationalities here, it comes a vivid picture of Europe. See the night lights, pure European style. I don't know, British style, Dutch style, but this is the market area. See, the stick nobles, postcard shops. This is a postcard shop. There's a musician on the road. Typical European style.
Because you just don't realize how much I love you.
In Europe, if you go, you'll find such musician everywhere. Every nook and corner. Peddlers in. See the European style rickshaw. My God. And the bakery shop. Spa salon. Barista. So we took a round of whole town. My God. How's the feeling here, Ridham? Nice? Enjoying the Galle town? Some waves. Oh, the colorful clothes, swimming suits, everything is there. Come on. Sugar bistro. You get bistro. My God, this gives me a feeling of Germany. I was studying in German university. That's called at Heidelberg. At the Heidelberg, such narrow lanes are there. This gives me a feeling of Germany. Germany, I was studying in a university called Heidelberg. Okay, and that has a narrow lanes like this only, and the walking evenings are like this. So every evening as a group from the university, we used to come out and walk. So this is giving me a Germany-like feeling. A Dutch colony giving me Germany-like feeling. Complete European. tuk-tuks are Sri Lankan, but rest of that, one difference is here in Germany and Sri Lanka that this would have been a total pedestrian zone. No vehicle allowed in Germany. What happened? स्टैचू के साथ पिक्चर
वो दिखा रहे थे कवर कर रहे थे दिखा रहे थे
ओके आइदा ज्वेलर्स आइदा जेम्स ओह माय गॉड So, yeah, this is the place. This is the hotel. In front of this hotel, you only park your car. So, we are finally reaching to our car. A long walk, almost 2 kilometers. You said 500 meters. It's almost 2 kilometers, but it's good. At times, one person should walk. Difference between Germany and Gaul, then is this such narrow lanes. In Germany, you will not see any vehicles. No vehicles, only walking. Or cycle, and cycle you cannot ride. You have to walk with the cycle. Yeah, that's the difference between Europe and other part. Europeans are very particular about that. Gaul Fort Hotel. This is a hotel. Gaul Fort Hotel. You can come here and chill out. Oh, no camera. I captured you. He was just joking, I know. See here. Fort Bazaar. This is again a hotel. Gaul is beautiful. Mango house. Let Rhythm and her mom come. Come, Rhythm. Very nice place. Yeah. Looks like, gives me a feeling like Germany. (1970) 1763 Manson Arts and Crafts. YWCA building, 23 Church Street, Dursford, Gaul. This is written there Galle, Gaule, but pronounced as Gaul. Probably a Dutch pronunciation. Commercial bank. This is a commercial bank here. Business time 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Oh, we have come to this church now. This is a church here. I don't know which church is this. It's closed. I'll just show you till from here, the top. Church name is not written. I can't find out. Maybe we are at the back side of the church. वहाँ है, वहाँ पे वो जो होटल है ना, उसके ठीक सामने, ये जो सामने जो होटल है. हाँ. So we took a complete round trip walking. 5-6 kilometers. Which church is this? Any idea? No? There's a church here. And there's a post office here. See? The post office. Gaul, you're beautiful. You're amazing. Guys, nobody will give you such a city view in one video, or maybe 2-3 videos and all. please, we have done a long walking for you people, okay, because with car we could not have captured such views. So please like and subscribe and share with friends and families. If you're Indian, if you're a Sri Lankan, if you're from any part of the world, please, this is a Gaul library established in 1832. Rhythm? ये library 1832 से library है. And still books are inside. It's closed as a library का time थोड़े है बेटा. There is a church here, I think. Is it a church? Yeah. Dutch reported church Gaul. We here only, we were there. We started from here only and we ended here only. My God. This is the church we started with and we ended. There is our car.
फ्रेंड 6 किलोमीटर चल रहा है
हाँ.
वॉक करके
कितने?
6 किलोमीटर
6 से भी ज़्यादा होगा. पूरा एक राउंड ट्रिप लिया हम लोगों ने. माय गॉड. वॉकिंग, ऑल वॉकिंग. This is a 5-star hotel in Gaul.